Welcome back to Product Critique, the ultimate destination for hands-on deep dives into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're spotlighting the best double oven range with convection technology, the Ninja DCT401 12-in-1 double oven. This sleek, stainless steel powerhouse isn't just another countertop appliance. It's a total game-changer for busy families, aspiring chefs, and anyone who wants to cook faster and smarter without compromising on flavor. Let's jump into what makes this double oven an absolute standout. First off, the design. The Ninja DCT401 features what they call flex door. At first glance, it looks like your typical stainless steel oven, until you open it. This unique door system gives you access to two completely separate ovens. You can open just the top half for quick snacks or single dishes, or the full door to utilize both ovens at once. Whether you're prepping a weeknight dinner or juggling a holiday feast, you get the flexibility to cook two meals, two different ways, at the same time. That's where flavor seal technology comes into play. Since the ovens are independently sealed, cooking fish in one compartment and a batch of cookies in the other won't result in seafood-flavored desserts. The smells and tastes stay where they belong, ensuring your meals are fresh, delicious, and distinctly their own. And Ninja didn't stop there. Their smart finish technology lets you sync both ovens to finish cooking at the same time. Imagine air-frying crispy chicken wings in the bottom while roasting veggies in the top, both ready to serve together. It takes the guesswork out of multitasking, so your meals are hot and perfectly timed. One of the most impressive things about the Ninja DCT401 is just how fast it cooks. Compared to traditional ovens, this double oven is up to 65% faster. That means less waiting, less hunger, and more time spent with family around the table. It's not just about speed though, it's about doing more with your time. Speaking of doing more, let's talk cooking functions. The top rapid oven includes bake, broil, toast, bagel, reheat, and keep warm. Down below in the bottom convection and air fry oven, you've got air fry, convection bake, air roast, whole roast, pizza, and dehydrate. That's 12 total functions across two ovens, giving you full control no matter what you're cooking. From dehydrating fruit slices to making a bubbling homemade pizza, this unit has you covered. Capacity-wise, it's surprisingly roomy. You can fit 6 pounds of wings and a 12-inch pizza simultaneously. That's enough to feed a family of 8, or host your next game night without a hitch. Everything about this oven is designed for practicality, whether you've got picky eaters or just different preferences. Cooking two meals at once, like kid-friendly nuggets in the top and a more refined salmon fillet below, is a total breeze. In the box, you're getting more than just the oven. Included are 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, an air fry basket, a removable crumb tray, and a recipe book filled with chef-curated recipes and cooking charts to help you hit the ground running. From day one, you're equipped to explore everything this oven can do. Powering it all is a strong 1800-watt system, and despite all this capability, the entire appliance weighs just 31 pounds. That makes it manageable on most countertops and ideal even for smaller kitchens. Just a note for international buyers. The voltage is 120 volts, so if you're outside the US, you may need a voltage converter. This is more than a countertop oven, it's an all-in-one kitchen solution designed for real life. From smart technology to flexible cooking zones, it empowers you to prepare meals faster, healthier, and more efficiently. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, the Ninja DCT401 is a serious contender. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell icon for more product breakdowns like this. And if you've got questions or want us to compare this to another model, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we test it so you don't have to. See you next time.